Okay, here we are in the Google Drive, and I'm going to go over how to create a landing page like this here. Okay, I'm going to go to my Google Drive now. So I'm going to go ahead and select New. Now I go over here and I go through this selection here. I click More and I select Google Sites. Google Sites come with some templates and stuff, but I'm going to start new here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and name my site. Demo. Then it gives me the option of selecting a logo here, so I'll go ahead and add a logo. Select. Go to URL. I have that URL here. Go ahead and paste it. And there it is. Okay, now that I have my logo put in, go ahead and change my background here. Yeah, I'll select this one. Select. Now I'm going to go ahead and change my title. Okay, now that I have my title put in, I'm going to see which theme I want to use. So I sort of like this one here. Then I don't like the pink bar, so I'll just go ahead and change it to gold. Now I'll go ahead and select my next section. I'll just take this first one right here and drag it over. Okay, now I'm going to want to put a YouTube video in this section here. So I'll go to YouTube, select that. Okay, which YouTube do I want? I think I'll take this one here. And then I'll just paste it in there. And I'll select it. Yeah, there it is in the box. Okay, now I'm going to change this image in the background here. Image, select image. Scroll down, select. Okay, now I'm going to edit this text here. Alright, cool. Now I'll go ahead and select this next text. Go ahead and edit that. Okay, now I don't want it like that, so I'm going to go ahead and change it into a heading. Cool. I'll go ahead and center it. Bam. Same here. I'll go ahead and center this group right here. And center. Cool. Now I'm going to add another section here. Okay, now I'm going to add an image here. Let me grab that URL. And select image. Paste URL. And that's good. To image. Cool. Now I'm going here and do the same thing. Image. Select image. By URL. Paste. And select. So now I add the text here. Control C. Control V. And then down here, I'll go select the next text. C. Control V. Now go ahead and center that. And I'll change this to a heading. I'll go ahead and center this. Okay, now I'm going to do another section here. I'll go ahead and upload the book cover. Okay, so you see how it's cut off like that? I could try to fool with it, but I'm just going to do the uncrop. Now there it is. I'll change this background here. Image, select image. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit this text here. Control C. I'll go ahead and center it. Should be, and I'll go ahead and change the text format. Heading, I'm gonna get bold, I'll center it, bam. Okay, now I gotta get a form here. So I'll go to my drive here. And say new Google Forms. So there we are. I'll name my form it's got the cap back on, so demo. And there you are. And then I'm going to do my first question. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to do the email address. Okay, I'm gonna do another one here. Yeah, another field. Name. Yeah, and so it actually doesn't look like this one is on the website. So you hit preview, and there it is. And then, okay. Now when it comes to responses, we gotta set this up to a spreadsheet. So let's go here, create a new spreadsheet, go Ranch Victory demo responses, create. If I want to look at it, I just click on open up, and there it is. Go Ranch Victory demo. I'm gonna drag it over here in the middle. Change this background. And select image. So now when they put their name, their email address and their name, it goes right to that spreadsheet. And that spreadsheet collects responses. Then I can have it set up to where it automatically sends out a response and lets them download the book. So I'll go ahead and show that now. Let's see. What I do is I go to Zapier.com, and I set up whenever this Google Sheet is triggered to send an email through Gmail. So I connect Zapier to my Gmail account, and I create a customized email right in here, and it sends it out with the download link. Okay, that does it for today.